Monday, everybody. It's a holiday. I am on a road trip adventure, and I'm going by myself. Isn't that weird? Is this car even on? Oh, the lights are on. That'll work. There we go. There we go. Let the adventure begin. It is 11 o'clock. I was supposed to be on the road at 10 o'clock. I was a little lazy. I will talk to you in a half hour when I grab a coffee at the coffee stop. And then we'll be on the road. Not the nicest day of driving, but rain won't stop us. I'm on my way from Halifax back up to the Miramichi, back up to Chatham, New Brunswick. It's a road trip. It's like 3.5 hours, I think, from here. I'm just gonna grab a coffee from this place, and I don't know what we're gonna do on the road. I mean, I'm by myself, and it's kind of hard to, well, we'll figure it out, and we'll get coffee. This parking lot is full. There's a lot of people on the road. It is a holiday, so everything is kind of closed. People are going back to school tomorrow. The last day of the sort of summer vacation. Thank you. No, you're good. I do love a good road trip. I love driving. Even if the weather's kind of crappy like this and there's gonna be traffic, I don't mind. I'm here for the adventure, right? Kind of on vacation. No, this trip, just going up and coming back. So, it's gonna be a busy 2 days with not a lot in between. You guys all remember Kiwi, right? Kiwi's gonna be my ride. Kiwi will get me to the Miramichi. Just stopping at the toll booth. Gotta make a quick pit stop. A bit of a lineup. Very crowded up here, and the weather is like lousy. We'll do our thing. We have about an hour and a half to go. Farewell, Nova Scotia. Hello, New Brunswick. I'm in Bucktouche, about an hour away from my destination or so. Yeah, I had to make a little pit stop again. What the heck? I stopped literally for like 2 minutes, just enough to get this coffee. It's pouring. I'm soaked. This sucks. It's raining. They said it would rain. Oh, where's the keys? Crap. I found the key. It's stuck in my mask. That's weird. All right. What the heck, people? I'm dripping. This is horrible. Well, I'm just rolling into Chatham, my destination, and it's been a long drive. But it's not raining anymore. That's nice. Just hit the traffic light here and hang a right. I'm at my destination. And just like that, we're here. Hello, Kiwi. Good job. Thank you for getting me here in safe and sound. Hey, Jax. We don't have a dog. But thanks for participating, Jax. I like your haircut. Alright, so just on my way, I'm just gonna take a trip through like the historic downtown. Historic? Historic?